Wait, before you spend $1 fixing your Maryland home, you might be about to lose tens of thousands of dollars. In today's 2026 market, the wrong decision, selling as is or fixing first, can completely change how much you walk away with. Right now, Maryland inventory is still tight, sitting around 2 to 3 months of supply. That means sellers still have leverage, but buyers are getting pickier. So the real question is, do you sell fast and easy, or maximize your price? Let's start with selling your home as is. In Maryland, this actually has a legal structure. You can provide a disclaimer statement instead of a full disclosure, but here's the catch. You still must disclose latent defects, things like mold, foundation issues, or anything that affects safety. The upside? Speed and convenience. Cash buyers can close in as little as 7 to 14 days. No repairs, no headaches. But here's the reality. You will make less money. For cosmetic homes, expect 5 to 15% below market. If investors step in, you might only get around 70% of your home's value, and your buyer pool shrinks dramatically because FHA and VA buyers may not qualify. Now let's talk about fixing your home before selling. If you have time and some cash, this is where you can really maximize your profit. But here's the secret. You don't need a full renovation. Simple updates like fresh paint, lighting, and landscaping often give you the biggest return. And making sure your HVAC, roof, and plumbing are solid, that opens the door to more buyers. But this is where sellers mess up. You can easily spend $50,000 and only get $30,000 back. And if the market shifts while you're renovating, you could miss peak selling season entirely. Here's the difference in today's market. As-is homes sell in 2 to 4 weeks, but for less. Fixed homes take 2 to 4 months, but can sell at full price or even higher. So, which one should you choose? If you need cash quickly, inherited the property, or can't afford repairs, as-is your best move. If your home just needs cosmetic work and you want top dollar, fixing first is the smarter play. But here's the strategy most sellers don't know. Get a pre-listing inspection. For about $300 to $500, you'll know exactly what buyers will find, fix the deal breakers, and sell everything else as is. At the end of the day, the best decision comes down to your timeline, your finances, and your goals. If you're thinking about selling your Maryland home and want to know exactly what strategy will make you the most money, send me a message. I'll break it down for your specific situation.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.